This video will be a review of writing chemical formulas. Please title on the appropriate page in your notebook, Chemical Formulas Review. Follow along and take the following notes. There are 3 steps to writing a charge-balanced ionic formula. Step 1. Identify elements and their charges. Step 2. Crisscross charges. And step 3. Add subscripts as needed. Let's practice writing some charge-balanced ionic formulas. The first formula we are going to write is sodium chloride. First, I am going to identify the symbolic elements for both sodium and chloride. Na for sodium, which has a +1 charge, and Cl for chloride with a -1 charge. When I crisscross my charges, my subscripts end up being 1s. We do not write 1s in subscripts, so my final formula is NaCl. The next formula we are going to practice is barium hydroxide. Hydroxide, remember, is a polyatomic ion, which is symbolized O, H. Barium, Ba, and hydroxide are written. Hydroxide is identified with a -1 charge and barium with a +2. As I crisscross these charges, I end up with a subscript 1, which is not written on barium, and a subscript 2 on hydroxide. The parentheses are because hydroxide is a polyatomic ion. The next formula we will practice is aluminum sulfate. Remember, sulfate is a polyatomic ion, so we will have to treat it a bit differently. First, I identify aluminum as Al with a +3 charge. Next, I identify sulfate as SO4 with a -2 charge. As I crisscross those charges, my subscript on aluminum is a 2, and my subscript on sulfate is a 3. Notice the parentheses again because of the polyatomic. Now that we have reviewed, please fill out the practice form on your teacher's website linked right below this video. Then watch the second video